How to use LegalZoom online incorporation properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Most entrepreneurs assume that incorporating online is as easy as filling out a form, but the surprising truth is that beginners often make mistakes that can delay formation, trigger legal issues, or create tax complications. The first mistake is entering incorrect company information. LegalZoom relies on your data for filings, and beginners who provide outdated addresses, wrong officer names, or incorrect entity types risk rejected submissions. Another common error is skipping the choice of registered agent. LegalZoom offers this service, but beginners who neglect it may miss critical legal notices, leading to penalties or missed deadlines. Many users also fail to understand state-specific requirements. Formation rules, fees, and tax obligations vary by state. Beginners who assume uniform processes may face compliance issues or additional costs. Neglecting post-incorporation steps is another pitfall. Incorporation is just the start. Obtaining INs, issuing shares, and maintaining compliance are critical. Beginners who stop after filing may encounter legal or financial problems. Finally, some treat LegalZoom as a substitute for professional advice. For complex ownership structures, multi-state operations, or industry-specific regulations, consulting a business attorney is essential. To use LegalZoom incorporation properly, provide accurate information, choose a registered agent, follow state-specific rules, complete post-incorporation steps, and seek professional advice when needed. Avoid these mistakes, and your business will start on a solid legal foundation.